and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As promised, yes, I am back very soon within a week with another product review video. So for people who haven't watched the video yet, so I'm gonna give a quick recap. So I started this new venture at my YouTube channel about product review videos. This is something I haven't done before. So the last video which I did is my first product review video, and today I'm gonna do another product review video for you guys so that you found it helpful. So yeah, for people who haven't watched my previous video yet, जाओ जाके देखो और बताओ कैसे लगा. Okay, so guys, if you like my content, then please do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean the world to me, and we guys are very close to 1k subscribers. So guys, please do subscribe. Let's make it a family of 1k really soon. And you guys can also follow me at my Instagram. I'm gonna put up the link in my description below. I do also make a lot of new content and videos and new posts over there. So today the product I'll be talking about is actually a wonder product. And when I say this, I swear I'm not even kidding. Let's welcome the love of my life, that product. And it is, the one I'm going to review today is Clinique ID Dramatically Different Oil-Free Gel. This is the product and I'm going to talk about it in detail today. So yeah, without further ado, let's quickly get started with the video. So this is a moisturizing hydrating lotion or gel. So this is the bigger one. It has 3 sizes. The smaller one, which is of 15 ml, it retails for 890 rupees. The medium size, which is of 50 ml, it retails for 2000 rupees. And this one of 125 ml retails for 3800 rupees. So yeah, there you go. You can understand why this one is like a bit overhyped, or somewhere people might not prefer to this one because of the damn price, isn't it? Like seriously, I have been looking for this product for 2 years, to be honest. I just have watched many videos, many bloggers speaking about it, and I actually wanted to purchase it, but then पैसा नहीं था मेरे पास इतना महंगा सामान खरीदने के लिए. But finally, I did it. मैंने अपना पापा का प्रॉपर्टी वगैरह बेच के खरीद ही लिया मॉइस्चराइजर. So this one is made of 2 parts. So let me show you guys. Okay, so this is actually the moisturizer, the Clinique moisturizer, and this is actually a cartridge. So this is the packaging of the moisturizer. Let me show you guys. As you can see, it's quite hard and firm. I think it's a pretty good packaging. And this one contains the moisturizer, which is of 115 ml, and it retails for 2800. And this one is the packaging of the cartridge. This one is of 10 ml and it retails for 1000 rupees. So together, this comprises of this moisturizer. So before, there was the option where you can buy only the moisturizer. Like this cartridge option came much later. So I got my hands on the moisturizer, the 15 ml one, I think 1 year back. So I bought this Chotu wala moisturizer. As you can see, this is the 15 ml one, which retails for rupees 890. So yeah, let me show you guys. This is the first one I bought for trial, like a trial product. And it's over already, but let me show you the size. I know it's funny, right? Because for 890 rupees, मतलब 890 rupees का value ये है. So for some people it makes no sense. Like for people like my brother, he said, क्या किया? पैसे मतलब ऐसे उड़ा दिया. But what to do? I wanted to give it a try, and I didn't realize कि इतना छोटा रहेगा packaging. So I'll just say that if you want, you can try, but I don't think it's very much worth it to spend 890 bucks for this just 15 ml of the product. So now you guys must be thinking, what is this cartridge? Why do we need to use it? So this is an extra formula for the betterment of your skin. So this is actually a very good product. It's very nourishing. It's very moisturizing and it provides the perfect hydration for your skin. And it is for, I guess, oily to combination oily skin type. For me, it's a 5-star product for sure. Now let's talk about the cartridge. So this cartridge, it is of 6 types, I guess. So this one, the blue one which I chose, it is for uneven skin texture. So you can see there's written over here. I chose it because I had some acne and some scars, so that's why I chose this one. So that with the moisturizer, with the hydration and the moisturizing effect on your skin, it can also act with the problematic areas of your skin like the uneven skin texture. So there are also other cartridges. So the green one which you can see is for irritation of the skin. Like if you have irritated skin or sensitive skin, then you can use the green cartridge. The blue one, as I said, is for pores and uneven texture. Now the white one is for uneven skin tone. Like if you have a lot of tan and then redness of your skin, then you can use this one. So the orange one is for fatigue. So for people who get very tired after a busy schedule and a hectic day, then you can use the fatigue one, because there are people who suffer from very deep dark circles under your eyes. So for them, you can definitely use it. I was thinking of getting the fatigue one after this blue one. And then we have the violet one, which is for lines and wrinkles. It is also for people who are suffering like this aging problem, then you guys can definitely use it. I think the orange and the violet one, especially for early 30s or late 20s. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about some of the good things about this product. So let me first show you guys the product. So I think if you can see, so this is the product. So if you can see the color, I don't know if it's visible. So it's the yellow moisturizer and the blue colored cartridge product. Both gets mixed together and then you just rub it and then apply it at your skin. It has an amazing effect on your skin. Truly speaking, I have been using this for the past 1.5 months, to be honest, and I feel like my skin has become very soft like as it was before. And even I had some problems, some of the problematic areas of my skin, even for some acne problems, those also got reduced quite a bit. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to buying it again because it has already become my favorite and I just want to use it again. But I don't know man, it's so expensive. The only problem with this moisturizer is the price. बाकी सब कुछ इसका बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Like if you can use it, if you have the money, then guys please do go ahead and try it once. I'll definitely recommend you guys. Like अगर हो सके तो use करो ये product and let me know whether you found this product useful. So I just hope someday I'm able to buy this again because it's almost more than half the product is over. So I just can't say goodbye to this product, truly speaking. I just hope to buy this product again very very soon. और someone please gift कर दो यार मुझे, बस ये मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. But of course, many people might be having this problem as I am facing this, the money problem. I'll come up with my next video very soon and I'll be talking about dupes of this product only. I can't say those will be like 100% like this product, but quite similar to this one, which will be in your budget and pocket friendly, because of course not everybody, even me, I can't even afford to buy a 3,800 rupees product every freaking time. It's not possible. I can understand that very much well. So yeah, I'll come up with that video very soon. Stay tuned to watch that video. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then let me know about it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about this product review and whether you are going to purchase it or if you have already used it. And there's another product that is the Clinique Moisture Surge. So I also want to try that product, but the same problem I face while using the Clinique products, that they are so expensive. So I just hope someday I'm able to purchase that product, or बस कोई मुझे भगवान बस कोई मुझे gift कर दे वो product, I'll be so happy. And then definitely I'll come up with a review of that product. on my channel. So let me know what you think about the whole video, and if you have any suggestions, if you have any queries about the product, if you want to say something, sab bol do comment section pe. And also tell me about what type of product review videos, like dry skin type, oily skin type, that, or which product, like any brand specific product you want me to review for you guys. Comment down here which product review you want to see next. I'll definitely come up with that very soon. And if you like this video, then please do subscribe. That would mean so much to me. Let's make it 1K really soon. I'm just looking forward for 1K subscribers. I'll come up with my new video very soon next week as promised. Till then, bye!